Kamusta? It's me, Veganda, and welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know, my channel is all about makeup and beauty products that are both vegan and cruelty-free. For today, we are doing another ChooseDay. Woohoo! So, what is a ChooseDay? One ChooseDay of every month, I will choose to recommend a product that I truly believe in. For today, I am recommending Kat Von D or KVD Vegan Beauty's liquid eyeliner. Ta-da! So, I have two liquid eyeliners with me from Kat Von D Beauty. Well, it's now called KVD Vegan Beauty because I know she sold her shares and now the line rebranded, and again, it's now called KVD Vegan Beauty, both cruelty-free and vegan, right? So the first one right here is, okay. Okay, first one is what we call the tattoo liner. And the shade is Trooper Black, right? Okay, and it retails for $21. It is an all-day wear, waterproof and smudge resistant. It's a felt tip liner, right there. Okay, so it's easier to put on. Okay, let me make it swatch it. So right there. Okay, it's jet black. The other one is, okay, it's what we call the ink liner, right? It's ink liner, right? And again, it's a felt tip liner. Ta-da! Okay, so yeah, there we go. This is that one right here. Okay. I mean, both of them are jet black. It's just that I have been using the tattoo liner for a while now, so it's almost out. So, and this is quite new, the ink liner. So, the color is more vivid, but right there. And this is the one that I have right now, right? Okay. So if I want a more pointy or crisp liner, I use the ink liner. And the tattoo liner is more, it's thicker, right? So it depends on the shape that you want, but both of them, it retails individually for $21. Both of them are waterproof and smudge resistant. So yeah, I love it. I use it almost every time, right? Okay, so yeah, I have been using it for several years now, and I would really recommend the Kat Von D or KVD Vegan Beauty liquid eyeliner. Lastly, if you want to see more videos about makeup and beauty products that are both vegan and cruelty-free, and to really know that there is a better way when it comes to beauty without harming animals, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you would be notified of my future videos. Alright? So before I go, as a vegan and an animal rescuer, I just wanted to remind everyone that beauty should always be inside and out. Till next time, bye!